Hello, parents. Today is November 19th, 2020, which means it is Report Card Day. This is the day that you can find out how your students have been doing during the first report card as far as academic wise, attendance, um, comments from their teachers, citizenship, all the things you might need to know to kind of see how they've been performing so far as we all adjust to this new way of learning in school right now. However, the process to get their online report cards does require a little parent setting up their account and getting their access codes. So let me walk you through the process right now. So the first step in trying to find your child's report card would mean to go to Clever, which is the DPSCD's portal for most things. If for some reason you do not have the blue and white C on your desktop like this right here, then the direct website that you can go to is clever.com/in/DPSCD. So if you do not have that blue and white C already on your desktop, then you might need to open up a Google Chrome um, page and go straight to this website, and it should take you directly to the same location as what you see here. Once students are here, they should click on where it says log in with Active Directory, and this should be routine for them because this is the same thing that they do for everything. They would log in with their student ID and password, which I already have one saved here, but they would log in with their student ID and their password. And then once they get into Clever, if you scroll down, you should see something called Power School Student Portal. That's where you will find your students' grades. Now, when you first get in there, it's going to ask you to sign in and with the password. This is not your child's sign-in information at all. This is a parent sign-in. So you actually are going to have to create an account most likely as a parent if this is your first time doing it, where it's going to ask you for your name, for you to kind of come up with your own password, and then it's going to ask you to link your students. So if you have more than one student at Carleton, you can click in here and type in their names, but you will need an access ID and an access password for every single student. This is not their student ID number. This is something specific that only parents will be given that information. It was sent in a letter with the progress reports that went home a few weeks ago. Everybody's progress reports had a letter explaining their access ID and password that you can use to sign in and create an account. But if for some reason you don't have that or just need to replace that, you can always contact the school at 313-866-8322, and they will provide you with the access ID and access password. So once you actually fill all that out and create your account, you should be able to go straight in and find your child's grades. If you have any questions, always call the school. And thank you so much. And please, please make sure you check your child's grades. This is the best way to find out so we can be proactive in making sure that we make any adjustments or praise and celebrate as we get ready to start or continue with the second quarter.